Children, today we shall discuss the properties of multiplication of integers. First is the closure property. If A and B are two integers, then A into B is also an integer. We say that integers are closed under multiplication. ठीक है, let us take an example. If A is equal to -7 and B is equal to 2, then A into B is equal to -7 into 2, that is equal to -14. When we take the product of a negative and a positive integer, the product is negative, right? And this is also an integer. -14 is also an integer. All right. Now, second is commutative property. If A and B are two integers, then A into B is equal to B into A. We say that multiplication of integers is commutative. Let us take, for example, A is equal to, say we take 5 and we take B as -4. ठीक है. Now we do A minus B, sorry, A into B. A into B is what? 5 into -4. 5 into -4 is what? -20. That is product of one negative and one positive integer is a negative integer. You take the product of the numbers and then you put the negative sign. Now again you take the product of the numbers. We do B into A. B into A is what? -4 into 5. This is again what? -20. We take the product of the numbers and then we put the minus sign when we have one negative integer and one positive integer. So what do we observe here? Here also the product is -20 and here also the product is -20. So we conclude that A into B is equal to B into A. All right. Then next is the associative property. Associative property. Okay. Now in this case, if A, B and C are three integers, right? Then a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. All right. If this is so, then we say that multiplication of integers is associative. ठीक है. Now we take an example. Take a is equal to say -3, b is equal to say -2, c is equal to say 5. Okay. Now a into b into c, this is equal to what? A is what? -3, b is what? -2 into 5. So when the number of नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स इज इवन, मतलब ये दो नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं तो इवन नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं, तो इनका प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव. वी मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स एज यूजुअल. 3 into 2 is 6 and put the sign of plus, then into 5. This 5 or plus 5 one and the same. When we have two positive integers, we take their product, it comes positive, and we multiply the numbers. 6 into 5, that is 30. All right. Now next we do a into b minus c. ठीक है. अब a क्या है? -3 into b is what? -2. c is what? 5. Right. First always we solve the bracket. Bracket means बड़ा वाला square bracket we will first solve. Into, now here you see there is one negative integer and one positive integer. When we multiply one negative integer and one positive integer, the product is negative. We multiply the numbers as usual. 2 into 5 is 10. Now we have two negative integers which is even. So product क्या होगा? Product will be positive and we multiply the numbers as usual. 3 into 10 is 30. ठीक है. So what do you observe here? Product is 30 here and product is 30 here. So what do we say? We say that a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Is this all right? Right. Now next is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. ठीक है. If an integer is multiplied by 1, then their product is the integer itself. ठीक है. Suppose integer a is multiplied by 1, then a into 1 is equal to a. All right. Here 1 is called the multiplicative identity. ठीक है. Let us take an example. If integer -9 is multiplied by 1, then minus 9 into 1 is equal to what? Minus 9, the integer itself. All right. Okay. Now, this is just a point to remember. We get the additive inverse of an integer a. We get the additive inverse of the integer a when we multiply it by -1. ठीक है. अगर हमारे पास कोई एक इंटीजर है a है हमारे पास इंटीजर, अगर हम इसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? ये नेगेटिव इंटीजर है, ये पॉजिटिव है, तो एक नेगेटिव और एक पॉजिटिव का प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ, ये जो -a है ये इस a का इन्वर्स है. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ, वी गेट द additive inverse of the integer a when we multiply it by -1. ठीक है. Okay, so we stop here children. In the next class we shall start with the distributive property of multiplication.